Hello, this is Alex Kaczmarek for the FXEdge.com, and this is your free daily Forex video for October 20th, 2009. Quick reminder before I begin, the purpose of this free daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendations, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky, so please don't trade any real money until you've established a proven track record of success on a demo account. Trading conditions are always changing, so make sure to watch tomorrow's video to stay updated. Well, folks, Monday's over with, and the euro looks primed for a breakout above 150. If it stalls, then we'll be expecting a reversal in the short term, perhaps some serious consolidation towards the 147 level before another run at the 150. The yen found support at 90.50. A close below that level is what we're expecting. A break above 91.30 is not welcomed and will push us out of a trade that we currently have with our members. We have important data coming out of the US and Canada today, along with a speech by Bank of England's Governor King that will be carefully scrutinized for any subtle clues leading to a change in monetary policy. It's important to note that the market may wait for the US data releases prior to running above that 150 level on the euro we discussed earlier. There's also much scrutiny of the U.S. interest rate policy, and economists are suggesting that Bernanke should raise interest rates sooner rather than later. Bernanke will also be speaking on Friday. Currently looking at the euro dollar on the daily, current rate is 149.55. First level of support can be found in 149.50. Second level of support is going to be 148.50. That's going to be the more important level, as we've been talking about in our members section. We had a trend line that we've been following, and we're bouncing right off that trend line at the 148.50 level yesterday. And the close higher is going to lead us to believe that 150 is ready and may eventually hit sometime today. Below 148.50, we'll find support at 148. Below that, 147.50 and 146.80. We don't anticipate to go below 148.50. A close below that level will definitely target the 146.80 level over the next few days. First level of resistance is going to be the 149.75 level. We're going to move the 149.67 level we've been following and move it up to the 149.80 level. That's going to be today's high, and above that we should definitely run into the 150 level, which is our second level of resistance. Above that, we're going to look at 152.25 and 153 as next solid levels of resistance. Pound dollar currently trading at 163.94. First level of support can be found on 163, followed by 162.50. Below that will be 161.20, 160, and 158. First level of resistance can be found at 164.65, followed by 165.95 or the 166 level. 167.28 follows, and above that 170. Dollar Swissy currently trading at 101.20. First level of support can be found at 101 even. That was today's low. Below that, we'll run into the parity level, 1 even. First level of, there's one more level of support below the parity level, and that's going to be 98.80. First level of resistance is going to be the previous day's level of support, 101.30. That's going to be now the first level of resistance. Next major level of resistance is going to be 102 even. Above that will be 102.40, followed by 103.20 and 103.50. Dollar yen currently trading at 90.70. Pair keeps pushing higher. We expect to stall near the 91.20 level. First major area of resistance is going to be 91.50, followed by 92, 92.50, and 93.20. 90.20 is the first level of support for the dollar, followed by 89.50, 88.80, and 88.20 follow. 90.20 is going to be the major area of support for the dollar, as we've seen over the last few weeks, beginning at the end of September. We had several areas here where the dollar wasn't able to break through the 90.20 level, and as we could see here, finally it gave in and now has become a level of support at the 90-20 level. If we zoom out a little bit, go back to middle of September, we could also see that 90-20 was another level, was the level of support here, along with several wicks aiming towards the 90-20 level, finally breaking through that level, and the 90-20 level once again turned into an area of resistance. So we expect the 90-20 level to play a big role, hopefully, as we've been talking about the members section, breaking below the 90-20 level, targeting the 89.50 level, and finally looking at the 88.80 level. So once again, 91.50, 92, 92.50, and 93.20 are levels of resistance. 90.20, 89.50, 88.80, and 88.20 are levels of support. If you'd like a more detailed analysis with potential trade opportunities, please join us in the members section. This has been Alex Kaczmarek for the FXEdge.com free daily Forex video for October 20th, 2009. Until tomorrow, good luck trading.